So guys, I have this Alcatel tablet, and let me let you guys know that we are having a problem. I actually solved this problem with other devices before, and I recently replaced this battery, but after a while the tablet just stopped charging the battery. Now I have a brand new battery here, and I'm going to plug this up and I'm going to show you something. What can cause your percentage to go down instead of go up? This is a brand new battery. You can have batteries that are brand new with problems. It happens, but not that often. So the battery is connected, and I am going to plug this up to charge. So let's see. Let me change the charging cable. I was just going to change the charging cable, but it says it's at 36, and I just want to just zoom in so you guys can see. So we are at 36, and let us see if the percentage will go down or go up. I think the problem in which we are having it was going down instead of up. And so far the meter is not showing me the voltage and amps that it's supposed to be showing. So I think I am going to use a different cable and charge the device. So I'm going to be using this cable. This one is a bit shorter than expected. It's going to be a problem. It's quite short, very short. So let me bring the tablet a little over. It's still short. So guys, as you can see here, this cable is a high data cable and it is short. But the first thing I've noticed so far, we are at 37 now. So the charge is going down instead of going up. And that should not happen. Right? Take a look. 37. We were at 38. So I'm going to give it a few minutes. Let me just pause the video, give it a few minutes, and then we're going to check back again. So guys, I just confirm it. We are now at 36. So the percentage is going down instead of up. And basically, we just need to figure out what is causing the problem with this device. So as stated, the battery is not the problem. So we're going to just unplug this new battery because the battery is not the problem. And this battery is dead. So in the past, dealing with this problem, guys, I dealt with this. It can be the charger, it can be the battery, it can also be the charging port. Different things can cause this problem to happen. So I am looking into the port now, and we should have 5 pins, right? As you can see, is this a charging port problem? Let's see. Let's see. There seems to be some dirt inside here, but is this charging port issue? Why is it not charging? Look at that. I would not have expected this, to be honest with you. I would not expect this kind of build-up. I would not expect this kind of build-up. I'm telling you the truth. Whatever this is causing the issue, I still doubt. It can block the charge, but the battery is going down instead of up. Okay, seeing something there. Will this change anything? Let's see. Let's find out. Okay guys, so my meter is showing 0. Let's just test this component here to see if we get anything. I need to change the charger. So let me use this one and see what we are getting. So definitely it's saying 0 on the meter right now, and let's just test this component. Let's see if we're getting anything. This one, I was testing the wrong thing. So let's just test and let's see what we're getting here. So we're getting 4 volts there, meaning that the charge is coming through. And if I unplug this battery, right, and I test here, I'm getting the same type of voltage. So let's test. I'm getting about 3 point something volts there. That's the correct voltage that should be going to our battery. So something is causing the tablet not to charge, and it's not the battery. Also, I want to believe that it is not the charging port. I'm examining the board. If we have a short circuit, then we would not have any charge or any voltage on the motherboard. So we don't really have we don't have a short circuit or anything like that. So why is it not charging? Could it be there's an issue with the port? We need to find out. Something can look good, but it's rotten. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to remove all the screws, and I'm going to examine the charging port. So I just want you guys to see what is the problem, right? So I just removed this motherboard, and I did not expect anything like this. What I'm seeing here is definitely water spot. Yeah, this is water spot. Sometimes it can be a bit greenish, but this one you can literally see here. Look, this is water spot here. Look at this. So this is basically why probably we are having charging problems. Yeah, this is probably why we are having charging problems, and I want to examine the charging port. So let me zoom in. Look at that. Look at that. So there's some problem, corrosion stuff going on here, right? Look at that. So look at that. See? Look at that. That's why it's not charging. And I never expected that we would have this issue, right? So if we reflow the motherboard with some heat, it can help us. But look at that. And that's what I'm saying. At times, if the individual just say, hey, the tablet got wet, whatever, but look at this. I never expected that. Looking from the outside, it looks good. But when you get on the inside, it is rotten. It's damaged. So we want to see if we can get this to charge, and let me see how I can clean this up. Remove the camera from there and put some heat on this. But look at that. Look at that. That's why we are having this difficulty. So for those of you who are trying to figure out why your device is not charging, this could be a reason why. Charging port, battery, or motherboard. And look at what is on the board. And it can also, any one of these components can get affected and it can be faulty. It doesn't have to be completely bad, but we're trying to clean it off as much as we can. Yeah. So guys, we clean the port up and we're trying to see if we can get it resorted properly. It's very hard to see here on the zoom. It's very hard to see, but I'm actually seeing. If it is the positive, we need to know where the positive is going. If it is the ground, then we can just connect a wire. We can just connect a wire here on the pin, and then we can run the wire anywhere on the motherboard where there's a ground. There's a ground here. The camera goes here, so we can put it somewhere here. Or if you want to ground it on the port itself, but there's a problem there, and I'm not seeing the connection that should be there. So I'm just concluding this video. I want to show you something. We will definitely get this fixed, but you can see that the positive pin is all messed up, and it is messed up badly. Have a look. Yeah, it's messed up badly. I end up taking off the port. So if you look, you can see that, there's some corrosion on it. Yeah, so that's why it's not charging. So but we'll get this fixed. We'll bridge a wire or something. But I'm concluding this video. It's late, and yeah, Now we know what caused these other issues. So if this was helpful, do like, share, and subscribe.